So this is where the cooktop is gonna go. This is the old one. As you can see, it's rusty. Got the natural gas light here. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this 30-inch cooktop made by Gasland. They sent this to me, and I am absolutely in love with this thing. Fortunately, I won't be putting this in my kitchen, but fortunately, I will be putting it in my dad's outdoor kitchen and mom's outdoor kitchen, which is pretty cool. It's a 5-burner set, and it's also convertible to propane, so you can use natural gas or propane. I love that. These little plates here, griddle plates, are really heavy duty. This whole unit weighs about 50 pounds. You know, it comes with every single piece that you're going to need for the installation. It comes with the instructions, all the burners. It comes with the regulator. I mean, it comes with Teflon tape. It comes with the weather stripping to make it airtight as well. The little nozzles to convert it. I mean, this thing's a complete kit. It's pretty dope. I love it. So I'm actually happy that, you know, I'm able to do this for my dad, and they can cook outside. And my mom, they love to be outside in their garden. They have a beautiful garden. So this is going to be a perfect addition to their backyard setting. And they also have like a pizza oven. So it just makes sense. And it's a perfect time right now that it's cold. We install the whole thing. We cook on it a couple times. It'll be ready for summer. So this actually, you can put it in an outdoor kitchen, or you can even put this inside your regular kitchen in your house. Either way, the application will work. And here's my dad coming in. He's pretty excited about it. I know he's stoked about this thing. And here's the plate itself. And we're taking a look at this thing here. Once you start opening this up, you start to notice how heavy every single product is. And the fact that it's heavy and it's looks like it's well made, and it has really great reviews online as well. So I'm really digging that. So this little plate, this is, you can grill and sear, or you can flip it, and you can also do like, you know, it'll work as a griddle if you want to do some steaks, or you want to do some veggies, or, you know, toast up some chilies, whatever it is. But make sure you guys stay tuned and follow my process with this cooktop here, because I'm going to be making a 3-part series. This is just the first one, the unboxing, but I'm going to do one of installing it. I'm going to do another one of actually cooking some food on it. But here's a little view of how it looks all completed. And once we're ready, we're going to go ahead and install this thing, but not today. This is just purely unboxing. We took some measurements just to make sure. It looks like we are definitely going to have to adapt it, but just like with anything, you know, you figure it out. So for us, we went ahead and knew that this was going to work for us. So, you know, 30-inch cooktop, definitely great product. I recommend it if you're looking for a good cooktop. This could be used for an outdoor kitchen or inside your house. I love this thing.